paano natin i-on ang ating laptop nang walang switch button. Alright, ayan o. Padalhin natin. Ayan. Then, switch button is yung kanyang 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Ayan. Alright. Alright. Sana all.